Hello user, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can enable the password authentication on any AWS Linux instance. So today I am going to use one of my AWS Linux instance which is on Ubuntu basis. So first thing you need to do, you have to change the password using command sudo passwd and type the username like Ubuntu. For Ubuntu instance, by default the AWS has the username Ubuntu, and once you updated this information, the next step is you need to change the SSHD config file. So here we have the command sudo vi /etc/ssh/sshd _config. So in this configuration there are a lot of parameters, but what we are interested is that only two parameters. One is we need to enable the password authentication. We need to change the setting. By default that is set to no to yes, so we need to change this value from no to yes. The next setting we need to change is permit root login, which is by default commented out. So we need to find that, so which is basically comment. So first we need to comment out this option, and changing this value provided password to yes. Once this is done, we need to save this file, and then we need to restart the SSH service using the command sudo service sshd restart. Great. So now SSH service is restarted. Now we need to close this connection and then let's try again. This time we will use the password instead of a private key. Right. So by default the instance uses Ubuntu username, and we try to log in with the password, and here we have successfully logged in using the password. So thank you and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, likes and share this video.